What's up, guys? This is Clay. I'm the president and owner of Thunder Laser USA, and today I wanted to take a quick second to talk about the different materials that you can use with a laser machine. So the first material, guys, is wood. It can cut all types of wood. It can cut plywood. It can cut hardwoods. You can make layered signs like this. This is actually 10 pieces of plywood glued together. You have signs for business like this up here. You can do barrel heads like this, super cool, super popular. You can do relief engraving like this. This is always an eye catcher at different places we go. Cutting boards for days. You can even do photos on wood, guys. Super cool. All right, the next thing I want to talk about, guys, is acrylic. So keep in mind that acrylic doesn't just come in clear. You have all different types of colors for that, different thicknesses. Right here we have a little acrylic sign. So this is a piece of white acrylic with a bunch of blue letters and a yellow thunderbolt that we cut out. And you can also do stuff like this, guys. You can do photo engraving on acrylic. And you can make little plaques and that sort of thing. So these machines, I mean, it cuts through acrylic like butter. You know, I'd say pretty much any machine will cut at least ½ an inch, even our smallest ones on up to an inch worth of acrylic. So these machines really do like this acrylic. The next thing I want to talk about, guys, super popular item is tumblers. So these are just some cheap tumblers that we picked up off Amazon or something. You can also do Yeti tumblers, Stanleys, all that kind of thing. Stemless wine glasses, dog bowls are actually super popular. You can also do slate. So this is an engraving on a slate coaster that we did. A lot of slate coasters go out. You can do leather. There's a leather wallet. And then you can also do things like this. This is actually a white tile, a white ceramic tile that's been painted black, and then you can take the paint off of it with a laser machine. So those are just a few of the things, guys, that you can use in a laser machine. I hope that gives you some inspiration and ideas about the different things you could use this machine for and making more money. And we'll talk to you soon.